How to set up a custom alarm on iPhone 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about alarms and how you can set up a custom alarm tone on your iPhone. So to do this for yourself, what you are going to be doing is you're going to make sure, first of all, to have GarageBand. Now, I have an outdated version of iOS, so I can't really show you the GarageBand process, but what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your App Store, go ahead and search up GarageBand. Now, once you search up GarageBand from here, simply go ahead, get your GarageBand for yourself. And once you do that, what's going to happen from here is you're simply going to go over to your GarageBand and create a custom ringtone for yourself. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go over to your clock. Once you go to your clock, go ahead and create a new alarm. Once you do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your sound, and right over here, it's going to give you an option to simply add in the custom tone, okay? And it's pretty simple. It's really easy to do so. Just make sure that the custom ringtone is added into your iPhone's database, and that is pretty much about it. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.